Hey, I'm Greg from SCT Adventures, and today we're going to be taking a walking tour through the arcade on board the Carnival Freedom. This is the warehouse arcade, and so basically what I did was I just walked through the arcade trying to capture all the games and all the activities they have on board. And this is not just for kids. As you'll see in some of these claw machines, they have Apple iPhones, they have tablets, they have Xboxes, PS2s, they have all sorts of things. Now the kids are really going to love it in here, but you will too. I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking through the video, but I did try to show you each and every game and arcade machine, all types of things they have in here. So I'm just going to let the music play, walk through, and just enjoy it. If you have any questions or comments, if you've been on the Carnival Freedom, if you've enjoyed the arcade, if you've lost a lot of money, or if you've won something, just let us know in the comments section. But hey, just enjoy the video. This is the walking tour of the warehouse arcade on board the Carnival Freedom. Once again, we hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough tour of the Carnival Freedom's Warehouse Arcade. If you've enjoyed what you've seen here, please consider subscribing to our channel by hitting that subscribe button and clicking the notification bell. It really helps our channel. I'm Greg from SCT Adventures. Thanks for following along on our journeys with myself and my wife Felicia and our daughters Riley and Kara. We really appreciate you, and we'll see you next time on our next crazy adventure.